Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you a sponsored item. Thank you LETOUR for sending this out to me. Appreciate it. I actually needed this a week before this. They just randomly, it's like a miracle, because I was working on my headlights at night time and I couldn't see a damn thing. And then after I've done the job, a week later I got an email. This company wants to send me this product. I needed this a week ago, but yeah, now we have it for the future, I guess. So yeah, so this is a magnetic light, I believe, which is 4000 lumens, 7500 milliamp hour charging battery capacity basically, so you can recharge it, which is good, because who the hell wants a plugged in one? I do have a plugged in one, but that's a headache. And also it's not like this, it's not a bar, it's a handheld like this. It's no good. And then it is 216 LEDs, I believe. It's got a hook and magnets as well. Okay, so this is the light bar. Looks like there's different sizes that they sell. I'm not sure. Maybe there is. Unless each bar can come off, maybe. I don't know. We'll have to have a look. Okay, so it's got an output display, so you can see what percentage you have left of charge. It's a USB-C fast charging port. Intelligent power display. They're not the same as that. Oh, does it tell you the time? I don't know. 360-degree swivel hook, highlight LEDs. There is something I saw on this, guys, which actually I wasn't expecting it, so it makes it a bit more. So that's the company LETOUR. I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, I saw this on the side of the box. This could make for some madness, guys. Let's see if he actually is in this, or maybe it's just a separate thing, but I don't know. Hopefully it is. That'll be pretty damn cool. We'll have some fun with that one. Nighttime market style. So these are the use cases. You can use it for your nighttime market, reading light, outdoor camping, red and blue flashing. So hopefully that is built in. Let's see. Or a mountain bracket or strong magnetic absorption. So charging time varies between 6 to 10 hours. I'm guessing how fast your charger is basically. And yeah, so it's a light source, LED, charging circuit, large capacity, remote lighting. Right, let's go ahead and unbox it. Hopefully it has some charge. Just so I can test out the functionality. It's a very thick cable, that. Very big and thick cable actually. Wasn't expecting that. But yeah, I've got too many USB-C cables now anyway. Oh, so they give you the magnets to stick on yourself onto that. To wherever you like. Okay, that's good. This is the product itself. Nothing else in there. Oh, I got hiccups. You did say remote, so I was expecting remote. The remote lighting. That don't make sense to me. Okay, so as you can see, very nice LEDs actually. They look really good. Oh, white and yellow ones. So where would the blue one thingy come from then? Okay. It's quite a big, bulky. So there's your mount if you want to put it on like a stand. But that's not included, I don't think. Is that a magnet? I think that is a magnet. What can I stick to this? Yeah, that's a magnet. So it's already got magnet built in. 2 of them on each end. So you can stick it to your bonnet or whatever. But if you need extra magnetism, you stick these extra ones on. You also have this hook. Apparently it's 360 though. But I don't see it spinning. Yeah, I don't like that rubber feeling one. I don't know, guys. Apparently it's 360. Don't seem like it. No idea, guys. Oh, I guess so it is. You could put it at any angle, pretty much. Right, so bottom is clear, top is clear. What's this side? Nothing. This side, nothing. And the top you got the USB port. So maybe you can use it as like a power bank as well. Not entirely sure, probably. And then you got USB-C if you charge it with. Let's close that port up. What the hell's this? That's not supposed to be there, is it? We're stuck on there, so it must be there for some reason. Why, I couldn't tell you. Right. Oh shit, that's bright. Yeah, that is bright. Let's switch that off one. Oh, got the orange. Oh my days, that's well bright. I'm actually going blind, guys. Oh shit. Look at that, guys. No way, bro. Bro, pull up with the FBI, bro. With the MI6. Look at this shit, bro. Man's an officer now, office of the law. Look at that. What the hell? Don't ever say I'm not undercover fed now. Look at this, look at this. Right, let me switch that off one. That is a crazy. So they do have that built in. So the last two boards on this is that. I might switch the lights off for you guys, just to see them police lights in action. I'll show you how bright this is with the light off. Right, we have this light, so it's not fully dark, but should do the job. Alright, so we'll go for the first setting. Ready, guys? Where's the bloody thing? Yeah, somewhere here. This setting here. Oh my days, that is bloody bright. Next setting, that's the yellow one. I'll just show you on camera. Oh my days, that's bright. I'm literally going blinded. Third setting. Oh, third setting, white LEDs. Second setting. Oh, this is all three. Oh, and you got the police lights. Bro, look at that. At night time that will actually look like a police car. That is fucking mad. What the fuck? What have these guys sent me, man? Might be time to pull over my cousins. I'm joking. Look at that. That is absolutely mental, bro. But yeah, that's just for that. Put the binding, man. But yeah, 193% charge. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't think you're gonna be able to see that, to be fair. There, maybe. No, you're not gonna be able to see it. It says 93 anyway. But yeah, that is extremely bright. So when you press it first time, so there's a few settings, I guess. So when you press it first time, I'm gonna go blind for this video. Oof. So that's two lines of LED you switch on. Top line, bottom line. Second one turns on the middle line, which is just yellow. The third setting turns on all three, the yellow and the two LEDs at the top. Then the last setting is your police lights. Wow, that is bloody insane. Wow. Alright guys, I just ended the video by accident. But I forgot to. Okay, I'm going blind. I need to turn this off, man. Turn the light back on. Yeah, I can see all the individual LEDs in my eyes now. I'm literally blinded. But yeah, highly recommend this. This fucking mental, man. I can't see. I can see literally these squares here. I can see them in my eyes right now, floating about because they blinded me. So yeah, these are very bright. You'll definitely be able to see at night when you're working on your car and stuff. So this is £31, I believe. £30.99, so £31. So it's worth it. Highly worth it. 100% worth it. LETOUR, thank you so much for sending me this. I've never been this excited in a while actually, for anything, and I needed this a week before you sent it out or even reached out to me. So yeah, it's like you read my mind. At least I'm ready for the future. Okay, So this is 4000 lumens. It's got German optical beading, so it's got 300% more light, which is pretty cool. What else can you use as a thingy? Yeah, just make sure you don't. Yeah, so you can use it for between 4 hours and 8 hours. I want to know if you can dim the light. So what I'm going to do is hold it. Yeah, no? Wait, what? I made a flashing mode now. Oh yeah, you can dim it. Oh, so it flashes when it's at the highest, and it flashes, if you hold it again, it'll flash when it's at the lowest. That's why it was flashing, so I'll put it back to the highest. And it should start flashing like crazy. There you go, we're at the highest setting now. Okay, oh, so I was never at the highest setting, I was getting blinded, but it wasn't at the highest setting. That is mental. So this might not be at the highest setting. Should we see? That's the highest. Wait, does that mean the police light's not the highest setting? Wait, does this one go brighter? Oh, that's blinding. Police lights can make these brighter. No, I think you can't change the dimness of this, or maybe you can. Let's see. Oh, I'm literally blind right now, sorry guys. Okay, let's switch it off. I'm gonna take a break. All I'm seeing is these dots, man, everywhere. They blinded the shit out of me. Oh my god, I can't even read the text on my screen right now. These rechargeable lights have widely application, can be used for garage lighting, battery powered ambient light in the garden shed. It's waterproof, durable. So yeah, what more do you need, guys? Thank you LETOUR for sending this out. Highly recommend it for good purposes and your bad purposes. So yeah, if I go to a car show, I'll put them on, the police lights on. It looks sick on it. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.